Get ready to enhance your home security with Ring Floodlight Security Camera. In this video, we will unbox the camera, show you what inside, and guide you through a step-by-step installation process. We will also share pro tips for smooth installation and the best setup for optimal security. Thanks for watching MG Factor. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast or a first timer, this guide will make installing your Ring Floodlight camera a breeze. So let's see what comes inside the packet. I'm very impressed with the kind of packaging it comes in. When you open the Ring Floodlight camera package, you will find the floodlight camera unit, the mounting bracket, hardware pack with screws, anchor, wire nut, installation tool such as screwdriver, and quick start guide, a setup manual, and few stickers to place on a door or windows. This is your floodlight camera. The mounting bracket is at the back, which you can pull it out. As you can see, there are three wires. Green is for ground, black is hot, and white is neutral. Then you have this hanging strap which you can place on the hook so that the camera doesn't fall and takes the weight while you wire it down. As you can see, it can hold the weight. This is your metal plate which goes on the electrical box. You can see it says front, so keep this facing up like this, and there are multiple screws to choose from. Then these are your wire nuts, and they have provided enough screws so that you can choose whatever fits in. This is the screwdriver which you can pull to make it a Phillips screwdriver. An easy manual to go through and setup guide. Enjoy the mesmerizing view while I give you some pro tips. Test Wi-Fi strength at the installation spot before mounting the camera. Use weatherproofing tape or silicone caulking around the junction box for added protection. Adjust the motion sensitivity settings to avoid false alerts from passing cars and animals. With this step-by-step guide, you will have your Ring security camera installed and ready to protect your home in no time. Now let's gather the tools and prepare for installation. The very first thing that you need to do is locate the spot. While accessing any electrical components, you should always turn off the breaker. This enhances your safety. You can also grab an electrical tester just to be double sure that there is no power in the outlet. Remove the old fixture. If you are replacing an existing light, carefully remove it and check the wiring for any damage. Now mount the bracket. Attach the provided mounting bracket to the junction box using the screw in the hardware pack. Ensure it's secure and label. You can see an up mark, so please align it accordingly. Match the wires. Connect the white wire neutral, black wire hot, and green or copper wire which is for the ground. Secure connection with wire nuts, ensuring no exposed wires. Now secure the camera unit to the bracket. Use the provided screws to fasten it tightly. Adjust the floodlight and camera angle for the best coverage. The last step in the process, use a silicone caulking around the base of electrical box and the camera to keep it watertight and prevent from any damage. Installing the camera to the app is pretty easy. Just follow the steps. Here is the clip from the evening. As you can see, the camera does capture the audio. The picture is pretty clear. This is how the camera performs in night. As you can see, it's a colored night recording. Pretty clear. Thanks for watching our step-by-step guide on unboxing and installing the Ring Floodlight Security Camera. With your new camera in place, your home is now brighter and more secure. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips. Got questions or need more guidance? Drop them in the comment below and I would love to help. Stay tuned for more content and we will see you in next video. Until next time, stay safe and secure. Thanks for watching MG Factor.